Hey there, I'm Lily O'Reilly, and this is Lily O'Reilly Reviews, and today we're unboxing the limited edition BoneBox. So let's get to it, huh? Okay, so, as y'all have seen in the past, I have a thing for bones, and Skulls Unlimited offers a BoneBox. I've been subscribed to their standard version, which is $25 a month, but recently they came out with a limited edition offering for $50 a month. Now, from their website, this says that your limited edition boxes will contain one skull, an animal fact card, plus a bonus item, including artwork, Skulls Unlimited merch, and more. Okay, that's pretty nifty. The limited edition features 6 different species, all of which have never before been featured in a bone box. So on that side, it's really cool. You're fairly certain that whatever you're getting in the limited editions is going to be duped in your regular boxes. So, sorry, my neighbor decided it's time to weed eat. Shit happens. Let's see what's in the box. I love their boxes, but they're really hard for me to open. So, we have the same little shoot and share info card that they had in last month's. Well, this month's. Sorry, I got this thing right at the end of August, so I think it's technically the August limited edition box, but I wasn't sure until I saw this. So, August box. Then, sorry, we have the skull. We have a fact card. Oh, and there's my bonus item. So the bonus item for the month is a really pretty art print. The artist is credited right there. And it's really just a lovely little piece of art. It's probably something I'm going to frame and put up in here. So that's nice. Nothing else here. And it looks like our skull for this month is a red fox, which is super exciting. They're one of my favorite animals. I think they're adorable. So according to their little fact card, red foxes grow 18 to 34 inches long. They weigh 6 to 25 pounds and have a lifespan of 2 to 4 years. They're omnivorous, hunting rodents, birds, and other small game. They're also known to consume fruits and vegetables, worms, and frogs. They are found worldwide in several diverse habitats, including deserts, forests, and mountains. They are very quick to adapt to suburban human environments and large communities. Isn't it England is having an issue with urban foxes? I don't know. If you're across the pond from me and you know more about this, definitely let me know, because I'm super curious about city foxes. Also, just like humans, foxes can recognize each other's voices. These incredibly vocal animals use 28 different sounds to communicate. And if you want to go check it out, it's at skullsunlimited.com/bonebox/redfox. So anyway, that's their little info card that they always include. But we're here for the skulls. As always, they're packaged very carefully in bubble wrap. And this skull is valued at $59. So with a $50 box cost, you are technically getting this skull at about $10 off their retail, which is a pretty good value. Most of the skulls they send out via BoneBox, they did say are B grade, which means there might be minor cosmetic imperfections, but I really haven't found many yet. Again, fully disarticulated jaw, not like a lot of other sellers, which will hot glue gun them in place. Definitely don't super glue your skulls if you ever want to get them loose again. It comes with a little tag that says Red Fox, info on the back, info on the company. And the skull is absolutely gorgeous. It's been cleaned marvelously. The only issue I can find is if you look, and I'm going to see if I can get the angle on it, right in there. See that little dark spot right there? That is a tiny, tiny place that they did not properly clean. Not the end of the world, honestly. a pair of tweezers and I can get that out. But the jawbone on this thing is exquisite. It's been cleaned in such a way that it preserved even these tiny fine teeth in the front. It's really just lovely. It looks like they've used a little bit of glue in the back right here to secure some of the teeth, but I'm not complaining. I'd rather have glued in teeth than no teeth at all. Same goes for the top of the skull. They didn't have to glue any of these in. But it's just beautifully well done. Very well cleaned. You can tell they've taken a lot of care with it. I especially love looking into the very lacy bones in here. It's amazing the way that animal skeletal systems have managed to shed weight whenever possible. And you can actually see into the skull there. There's more of that lacy sort of bone structure toward the sinuses. God, it's just lovely. This is really a lovely find. And about that time, my own canid species decided to start making a shit show of itself. Oh well. Anyway, this is our red fox. He's beautiful. He is well put together. And he is definitely going on my shelf sometime. So, this is the August limited edition BoneBox. One skull, about $10 off. A skull I didn't have in my collection yet, so that's super cool. And, yeah. Oh, and I do remember, somebody was asking me where BoneBox gets their skulls. I looked this up just so I could let y'all know. According to the website, they get their material from natural and predator deaths, roadkills, food source byproducts, and legal hunting and trapping operations. They have the info on their website, but this isn't super shady. Like, I 100% would not be supporting the company if I thought they were doing something that wasn't ecologically or morally acceptable. So, that's all I got. Hopefully, this was interesting to you. If you like what I'm doing and my weird little skull collection, feel free to like, subscribe, leave me comments. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!